Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. Myself SS Raite from KTHM College, Nasik, Department of Commerce. In previous lecture, we have started Unit 1st, Introduction to E-Marketing. In that lecture, we have already discussed the introduction of marketing, e-marketing, traditional marketing and a web presence goal, etc. Now today we will discuss the topic online marketing, CRM, it means customer relationship management, electronic customer relationship management and applications of electronic customer relationship management. Okay, so this is our lecture number 2nd. So let us start one by one. First point, online marketing. Online marketing is a method that uses the internet to promote or transmit a message about a company's product and services to the potential buyers or target audience. So, online marketing is a set of tools and methodologies used for promoting product and services through the internet. Online marketing include a wider range of marketing elements that traditional business marketing due to extra challenge and marketing mechanism available on the internet. Next is online marketing is also known as internet marketing, web marketing and digital marketing. We have already discussed in previous lecture. Marketers can also place the ad on the basis of keyword type by the customer on Google and other search engine like Bing, Yahoo to reach the target audience. Okay. It means pay per click ad is the most important elements of the search ad. When a visitor searches any terms of the search engine, the ad of the marketers appear either on the top of the result or next to it. On the basis of the bidding by the marketer and the search engine algorithm to identify its significance with respect to the keyword search. Only when the visitor click on the ad, advertisers pay for it. Okay. Next point, customer relationship management, short form is CRM. In that first point, customer relationship management is a technology for managing all your company's relationship and interaction with customer and potential customers. Next, a CRM system helps companies stay connected to a customers, streamline processes and improve profitability. Customer relationship management aim is to create mutual value between the customer and marketer. So, the simple meaning of CRM is a technology for managing all your company's relationship and interaction with customer and the potential customer. The goal is simple. Improve business relationship. A CRM system helps the company stay connected to the customer, streamline processes and improve the profitability. When people talk about CRM, they are usually referring to a CRM system, a tool that helps with the contact management, sales management and productivity and so more. A CRM solution helps you focus on your organization relationship with individual people, including customer, service user, colleague, or the supplier throughout your life cycle with them, including finding a new customer, building their business, and providing support and additional services throughout the relationship. Okay, so this is a customer relationship management. Next point is customer relationship management areas. There are many areas of customer relationship management. We will see one by one. First is service. The CRM has the ability to drive profitability with the support of marketing and sales service. It also drives service revenue. Okay. Next is sales. The CRM enable the gain, retain and grow profitability relationship by functioning sales forecasting and planning. It also manages the account, activities, billing, contracts, quotations, pricing, order and the product configuration. Next is marketing. The customer demand and marketing process are aligned by CRM using some functions to improve. They are the management of marketing analytics, marketing resources, list, segment lead, and trend promotion. Next is the partner channel management. Managing partner relationship using the loyal indirect channel, gaining more profit and giving authority to channel partner can be done by the use of the customer relationship management. Next is the running an interaction center. In this area, the customer interaction center maximizes the customer cost, revenue and loyalty by transforming into the strategic delivery channel. And last one is real-time offer management. The CRM changes interaction of customer into opportunity for developing relationship and producing the revenue. It helps to plan, improve and perform the cross-selling, upselling and retaining offers and so on. So students, these all are the areas of customer relationship management. Next point, electronic CRM. It means electronic customer relationship management. Electronic customer relationship management is the application of internet-based technologies such as email, website, chat room and other channels to achieve CRM objective. It is a well-structured and coordinated process of CRM that automates the processes in marketing, sales and customer service. So students, eCRM is the management of every customer and the relationship the customer with the electronic business. This helps to create, measure and increase income, minimize cost related to the every customer and thereby create positive future value. eCRM helps a business to work in more profitability and the efficient manner. It makes use of the information technology to manage relationship with the customers. And eCRM helps the business to conduct interactive, personalized and relevant communication with customers using electronic as well as traditional channel. Okay. So, it also uses technology to support customer interaction with a few or no human intervention on the supplier side because of the electronic CRM. Next point is applications of eCRM. The various eCRM applications can be seen in the following in industry segment. Number 1, banking and finance. The widespread use of ATM, credit card, debit card, smart card and leading through the eCRM via the internet. This type of computer-based bank-to-bank, bank-to-consumer and consumer-to-consumer transactional and informational exchange has been referred to as electronic commerce. Next is hospitality. The hospitality industry is all about the customer interaction. Companies that rely on their guest comfort and the contentment need all of the feedback tools available to make sure they are meeting their customers' needs and expectations. eCRM application in hotel industry are scaling across the business functions to retain, capture and capitalize on the customer data. Integrating all aspects of business process and the system by keeping the customer as the core. Next application is telecommunication. CRM in the telecom industry can serve as a powerful tool to increase sales and improve the customer engagement. Next is the transport. CRM software helps the benefit business portability, focusing on timely updating customer information and fast order processing. It also allows to organize efficient shipping of the delivery of the goods. And last applications is government organizations. Government CRM is the business strategy to provide comprehensive service from all the public organization. Okay, so students, this is the main applications of electronic customer relationship management. Students, today we are discuss the customer relationship management, electronic customer relationship management, and the customer relationship management areas. And also the last point is the applications of eCRM. So here today's session is over. Thank you.